Grabe yung baon mo, sir.
1 mil.
1 mil.
It's so amazing, it's not a phase. I want you to stay with me, by my side, don't swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, it knocks me right off my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Can't explain why your love makes me weak.
Maraming salamat po. Before kumanta yung second song ko. Sige na, tuloy nyo lang. Susunduin na tayo ulit. It's so amazing, it's not a place. I want you to stay with me, by my side, just swallow my pride. Your love is so sweet, knocks me right off my feet. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Can't explain why your love makes me weak. Madam Angie, thank you so much. Thank you for having me here. Maraming salamat po. I want to wish you a happy birthday and wish you all the best in life. Sana lahat ng gusto mo ibigay ng Panginoon sa'yo. I love you. Thank you so much. Baka po, pwede natin siyang kantahan lahat ng isang mabilis na Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Madam Angie. Hindi ko na pala tagalin. Here's my second song. Sana magustuhan niyo sa lahat. Kung alam niyo kata, pwede niyo kaming sabayan para sa ating birthday celebration. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. Ano na? Happy 19th birthday. Okay ba yan? Okay ba yan? Sige po. Pwede na po natin galahin. Madam, this is for you.
There's no reason to hide what we're feeling inside right now. So baby, let's just turn down the lights and close the door. Oh, I love the rest, but you won't need it anymore. Don't be confused by my smile, 'cause I ain't never been more.
Madam Banji, thank you. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope nag-enjoy kayo na. Thank you and God bless us all. Thank you so much. Madam, happy birthday. I love you.
Salamat po. Thank you din po.
Direk, salamat.
Salamat po, salamat po.